So guys, we have two clips on our timeline. Suppose we want to add transition between these two clips. For that, select the second clip, then left click and drag the second clip. Try to overlap the first clip a little bit. Now as you can see, we have a new area here, and this area is our transition area. So let's see the preview. See, this one is the default transition. Suppose we want to use other transition. For that, select the transition part, right click, properties. And on the left side, we have a list of transition. Just select one of them. On the right side, we can see the preview. Now move to timeline again. If we move our playhead slowly, as you can see, the transition is happening from left to right. Suppose we want to invert it. For that, just check invert wipe and the direction changed. If you want to add some feather, just increase the softness like 40%. See the change? So guys, that's how easily we can add transition in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.